on the kitchen photo, I have this photo and then let's start my new toy.
Unsa man imo new toy? What's your new toy?
This is my alphabet.
Alphabet lore.
Yes.
First,
This A. This is I got A. I got A now. See follow flow and then let's got it now. I got B now. And then flow.
B.
This
B.
is B. Look. B yellow. B yellow. And then I got it now. Okay. This is D.
C.
It's now
Unsa sound ni C?
D.
C.
And then now this is D. And then let's cut it in the bottom.
I'm excited for Q. What's your favorite alphabet lore?
K.
J.
Yeah, I
Why?
like this too because that's my first letter.
First letter.
I see it in the YouTube. It's like blue, but in
It's
the
light
Tabi
blue.
it's
It's green.
green. Yeah.
In Shopee,
The
it's green.
the tribal is long, and then I think I just follow it.
You will just color it later.
Yeah, I just follow it later.
Color is
And then let's go cut it in
Ooh,
the.
F, the villain.
No, you wrong, Papa. It's the enemy.
Yes, it's the enemy of everyone.
Look.
But F just wanted to be friends with Mahmoud, no?
And then this is G. He's
G.
wrong too. He just purple.
Yes, in alphabet lore, G is color purple.
Purple.
G,
Look. This is
H.
Let's go cut it in the bottom.
H is a ghost, a fart.
Apple.
A
This
ghost.
is the code because sometimes he dead now. He don't your move yo. Next is I. So this is I. And then let's cut it in the bottom. Now, and then let's go over here. This is J now. It's my people is letter in the alphabet law. Let's go cut over here.
Looks like
My name.
first letter of your
Name. This is
mura unsa si letter J. Mura bubot.
K. Here Abby. It is. Look at this. The up.
Pati man siya sa camera.
Ang ay wala kita sa camera. It is kita. Look, it's K.
Yay!
Let's go
Yay.
cut it. Na na na.
K is for butterfly because in alphabet lore, K is a butterfly.
Hey, look. He, Abby. Okay.
Bye man siya, di ba?
Stop moving around. I can see you. You got it.
Next is K
L.
L.
This is L. I think this.
The superhero.
Yeah, it's that.
Mm,
Superhero. I think
The
that's
bully.
the-
The bully
He's
letter.
a bully letter because of his meaning now. He bully.
L
And
is so mean,
N.
right?
I mean, yeah, it's N.
L
Next is
M
N.
M.
Cut it over here. Because he looks like N.
There you go.
It's N. I guess it's Orion. Stop, stop, stop. I said this is the N. No. Hey, stop. Where's the opening? Where's the open? I see it. The end.
N.
It's almost bigger than my thumb. This is his all.
Best friend ni
L.
L.
You show us.
Here are our hole. Yeah, here are our hole. Okay. Next. Next, oh, it's P. Here is P.
I'm so excited.
Little I take that letter.
Yes.
Here. This is P now.
I'm so excited for the next letter.
Stop! Stop!
Yo!
It's here.
It's
And then
yo!
ah.
Yo!
Hey.
You looks like a snail.
Yeah.
Yo!
I get it out. Get the whole on.
Show si Kyo.
It's you.
Kyo!
Because a big brown one. And then next to it
Kyo!
is out. Is out.
Four.
It is out. See the empty plastic and then let's get it out.
R.
This is out now. Look. Tiny, tiny, and tiny.
Sometimes tiny, sometimes big.
And everyone is tiny or big. This is S now. Let's go cut it over here. S. Look. The S. It looks like a snake, but it's big.
Next is
T.
C.
Here I have a duck.
R had shark. Hmm? Shark start with what?
Wala pa.
So the third T.
T.
It's Stark.
Ta.
Shark.
Yeah, you.
Start with letter shark. C. Start with letter what? Ang shark.
It's ta.
Tark.
Dark.
Next thing. You.
I think it's never. Next is V.
Shark. Start with letter S. Shark. Am I right, everyone? Comment down below.
What is me? Alfred.
V.
This is Totoyo. Then
W.
That's is Torong. Ito Torong. Ito Torong. Everyone is know is anatomy and then because anatomy.
V.
I put it over here now. He called.
Why it is called W if it is double V?
Ito is W.
It's not U, it's V. Dapat iya name is double V.
Yeah. It's a double V and then he combined now it's on a double.
Oh, Api, U and V na combine na W.
Yeah. So, now, that is now,
X.
you not eat, I can eat. This is why I can let go. That is
Why?
stop up now. Stop up now because I just wanted the video.
What's the sound of alphabet letter Y?
Wow.
Why?
It was, it's white again, and then this is the last one letter, it's C.
C. Y is red man, di ba, or blue?
No, it's white.
White sa alphabet letter?
Yeah, kita ko. Kayo ko. It is
Z.
now.
Z is the planet of alphabet letter.
Yeah.
Planet na siya sa alphabet letter. If mo, the big kayo siya.
Yeah.
That's why he is so big. But
Look,
sa toy, kay small ra siya.
Good. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. That channel. Come below and then now please go over here again and then next video is the top toy of is about now everyone. Bye.